Now, if that isn't one fat worm, man, that's awesome. It's going right back in the ground. So this right here is what I'm talking about. Natural pest control. Blessed to us right here. This beautiful lizard. These things will eat any bug in your garden. You get enough of these in there, they're gonna know where a food source is, they're gonna know where water is, and they're gonna never wanna leave. Same thing with snakes, same thing with little insects that you want, like ladybugs, all these things, praying mantis, these good things. So think about that, these lizards, these snakes. Before you get rid of them, think about what they can do for you too, and what you can do for them. And so this is what I'm talking about as well. Lots of mycelium and a lot of these twigs, a lot of these plants. Alright, so we got our bed here. It's about 16 feet long, 3.5 feet tall, with 4-foot sections in between. Now we could have our fresh compost as it goes in, as leaves, our green matter, all of our dirt, soil matter. As it gets broken down, we'll transfer it over until it gets ready to be used in our soil. It took me about 2.5 hours to get all this soil out down to a rough grade, get these pallets lined up, put together. Probably took me 30 minutes to get them from, I mean, they're going to be trash anyways, so just make sure you get the heat treated ones. That way they're safe for your environment and safe for, obviously, you know, the vegetables and fruits you're trying to grow. But it just goes to show that you don't have to spend a lot of money to actually create something that you can be using for years, even years to come, to not only benefit yourself, but the plants and the animals that are all going to be around this area. It's going to have great airflow from all angles because the wind blows from the mountain sides on all angles throughout the different times of the year, depending on when we have the Santa Anas or not. So definitely going to be a good little setup. Just got to put a few more posts into each one of these. That way we can screw some more screws into this post, put more pallets on the outside.